Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Tim. In this video I'm gonna explain how you can easily create a meme GIF or video. Alright, in this example we're gonna use VEED's GIF maker, so simply head over to your browser and type in veed.new, or you can also click on the first link in the description. Alright, now we're in VEED's editor and now I want to import a video and turn that into a meme. So to get started, simply click on upload a file and select the video you want to turn into a meme and then click on open. After a moment the video is imported and I'm gonna turn this into a meme. So first I want to change the aspect ratio of this video, which is a 16:9, and I want to turn it into a square. To make this happen, head over to settings in the left menu and then on the size you will see a bunch of options of dimensions you can choose from. In this case I want to choose 1:1, which is a square. I'm gonna click on it and as you can see it changed into a square. So now I want to turn the background color to white, so I'm gonna head over to project settings and on the background you can change the color to whatever you like. In this case white, and if you head over to the video canvas, if you click on the video itself, you can use the side and corner options to resize the video. You can also click and drag it around from the middle and also rotate it if you prefer. For now I'm gonna put the video a little bit on the bottom. There you go. So now I want to leave some room for some text above, which is going to be the meme. So now to add some text to your meme video or meme GIF, head over to text in the left menu, and then you can choose one of the presets that VEED made for you, but in this case I just want to keep it simple. So I'm going to click on headline title. And on the left you will see the text menu in which you can change the text in the text box, and below that you can change the font, the sizing, the color, background color, and even add an animation to your text. And you can adjust the timing of the text in the bottom timeline menu by clicking and dragging on one of the sides to extend or shorten it. And as a final touch, if you head over to elements in the left menu, you can easily add emojis, stickers, progression bars, and much more. And if you're satisfied with your meme, head over to export in the right top corner, choose your preferred render settings, and then click on export video. And once the meme is rendered, you can watch it back on the left. And if you want to download it to your device, simply head over to the download button, click on download MP4 and it should be in your downloads folder. However, if you want to download it as a GIF, we're going to do the same thing. Head over to the download button, click on download GIF, and it should be in your downloads folder. Alright, so that's it for this video. That's how you easily create a meme GIF or meme video. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck and have a nice day.